ready to do sublimation on the wallet. We got our wallets in a couple of days ago, and I want to show you all how I do my sublimation onto wallets. So here I am today. The wallets come individually packaged, and I usually just do my design and give them right back to the customers just like this. So this is how they come, pretty much individually packaged. They are double-sided. So this is my image that I'm going to put on there. I print my image or size my image at 4.2 by 3.75. So 4.2 this way, 3.75 this way. The height and the width and the length and the height, or width and height, however you want to say it. And then I just position it on there, and I do both of them, both sides. You want to make sure that your picture is facing the right way, as in I have put one on upside down. So this is the inside of the wallet, and you want to make sure that your picture is facing upward this way. I have done one maybe twice, I believe, but once recently, to the point where it was my last wallet I had in stock, and I had to borrow one from someone local just recently because I put it on upside down. So I am going to put both sides on. We're not going to press both sides at once, but I am going to put both sides on, and I'll show you how I press these. I am going to be pressing at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. So I'm going to get some paper to lay down on my press. I know some of you probably seen me do these live before, but we have a lot of new people, so I'm going to go ahead and redo another live. So I put that down, and then I put my wallet over the side of the press. And you can do it on this side, this side. I just do it on the front because it's easier, and then I press it. Turn it off. So that is the finished wallet. They come out really well, really vibrant. And I sell a lot of these at Father's Day. And they're long lasting. The one that I made before, I think I made it probably a year and a half ago, and my guy is still using it today. So they are very long lasting. I'm getting ready to do a sublimation wallet for the ladies. I am going to go ahead and start this one. Got my press set at 400 for 60 seconds. Lay it across the edge. So this is our wallet here. This is one of our ladies' wallets. They are really, really nice. So I had one to do for my sister, so I'm going to go ahead and do it live. I did a few other ones just to have in the store. So right now I have all my images printed out. I did print at 7.55, but I think I'm gonna move that up to maybe like 7.6, because it's a little bit white edge. And that's 7.55 by 3. What was it? 3.25, and the 3.25 was fine. It's the 7.55 that may need to go a little bit bigger, so I would suggest 7.6 or just having your own measurements. Okay, so I'll show you that in a few moments. I'm gonna go ahead and get the next one started because I have taped it down. And I'm not gonna put no cover over it. I have 4 that I was doing, but I can't find the other wallet. I had one already set out, and I don't really want to open another one. These are available to purchase online if you haven't already purchased them. This is a restock item, so it's not new. I've had them before. The style has changed twice since I've had these. So I've had them in store several times, and it has changed twice. But I like this new style a whole lot better. I think I did a live before on the very first style that I had. And I can show you the difference if you've purchased the last style that we had before. Go ahead and pull this one up. And I do my men's wallets just the same way. We just lay it across the edge and press. So I'm going to get this last one going. Not actually the last one because I have one more that I wanted to do. But, okay, so here's the first one we just did. So I'll go ahead and take off this tape. So this is the first one. And like I said, I'm going to show you the difference in the styles. This is the one we had in stock before. And it just opened here. Oh, I got some old business cards in there. And on the back. But I pretty much like this style a whole lot better. So it opens all the way up as a trifold. And then you got your pocket here and your card section here. So this was different. It was still a trifold, but it opened a different way. So again, this is that image for the first one that we did. And then here is the second. And if you're just coming on, these are ladies' wallets. Great item for Mother's Day. And then this is one that was requested by my sister. And it's just her logo. So, and that's that one. So 1, 2, and then here is the third one. And then one that I did before, which is mine, my logo on it a while back. And that's just a different style, but it was the same type of wallet from the same suppliers, just a different style, and they've changed it. So those are our ladies' wallets. I'll post the link, but for many of you, you will know that they're available on craftspace blanks.com.